Chapter 23. Nature uses few words. When the gale blows, it will not last long. When it rains hard, it lasts but a little while. What causes these to happen? Heaven and earth. Why do we humans go on endlessly about little, when nature does much in a little time? If you open yourself to the Tao, you and Tao become one. If you open yourself to virtue, then you can become virtuous. If you open yourself to loss, then you will become lost. If you open yourself to the Tao will eagerly welcome you. If you open yourself to virtue, virtue will become a part of you. If you open yourself to loss, the lost are glad to see you. When you do not trust people, people will become untrustworthy.